Hello everyone, welcome again back to my channel. So how you all doing? I believe you are doing perfectly fine. So today's video we're going to be talking about spiritual benefits of adding salt, or rather putting salt in your shoes. So first I want to welcome you all in case you are new here to this channel. If you are new, you are so very welcome. I really appreciate you so much. This channel is about spiritual way to take care of everything about your life, okay? It's about growing spiritually in everything, using natural things, of course. Everything, all the ingredients are purely natural and they are made by God, okay? Nothing fetish. The first thing you have to do is to get salt. If you have a natural salt, not a processed salt, that would be better, because all those processed salt is not so natural. But if you do not have it, no problem, okay? So if you are based in Nigeria, you can go to your local market and get those ones that are not in the pack. All those salt that are unrefined, they are not refined at all. Those measuring one, okay, that one is natural. But if you do not have it, you can get sea salt, processed salt, no problem. Just make sure the salt is not the one from the kitchen. Do not bring it from the one you use in cooking, the one in the container, okay? Just make sure you keep it separate for spiritual work. Store it for this purpose or for any other spiritual purpose. So do you know that salt can bring favor to you? It can help you to be promoted in your place of work. It can make you to get job in case you're seeking to get employed. Salt's spiritual benefit is so awesome. You cannot count it. There are so many. It can bring you success in every areas of your career. If you are a business person, it will bring success, like it will bring more customers to you. It will open doors for more blessings to come to you. First thing you have to do is to get your salt. As it's still inside the container, you just have to pray, okay? Ask for whatever you want. Ask for anything you want the salt to do. As you are going for this interview, may I be favored? May I get the job? Just ask for anything. Let me be favored. Let me be loved. Okay? After praying, just add a pinch of it in your shoes. That goes also for those that are looking for promotion, or if you have any appointment that is going to favor you. If you have contracts that maybe the person is proving so hard to accept your request, you just have to add a pinch of salt. For those that don't have shoe, or if you are not used to wearing shoes, you can just add a pinch of salt in your pockets, or you can just add a pinch of salt in your file. For those that are seeking for job, or for those that always carry files, you just add a pinch of salt in the middle. As you're adding it, you just have to be praying and be saying those things you want the salt to do for you, okay? Salt is so magical. It carries out spiritual requests very fast. So for those that are doing business, if you're a businesswoman or a businessman, in your place of business, in your doorstep, for more customers, if you want more customers, if you want open doors, if you want people to patronize you, you just get a pinch of salt like this. Just spread it on the doorstep, just like that. Just little is what you need. For those that want their request to be granted, like if you are going for a particular place and you want to convince people and you want them to believe you, this will help a lot. All you have to do is just add just a pinch of salt under your tongue. Just lift your tongue, okay? Just lift your tongue a little bit underneath your tongue, just little of it. You don't really need to add so much, because salt is not so healthy for us. But if you have high blood pressure, you don't need to use it, okay? Just keep it. But even if you want to use it, just a little of the salt, just little amount of it. You just drop it and pray. Let people believe me, just this is natural. Very natural. There's no fetish thing behind it. It's about using natural ingredients to perform spiritual work and to favor you, okay? So as I said earlier, if you are seeking for a job, if you are going for an interview, you can just put the salt in your file, in the middle of your file, or in your pocket, okay? Just put it in there, but make sure you pray before doing so. In your shoes, that one is very, very active. If you do not have shoes, or you're not the type that wears shoes, you can just, put it in your pocket, okay? So as you go out and come back, this will work for you by the grace of God. Everything will work well for you by the special grace of God. You shall go out there and receive favor. You shall be successful in everything you do. So that is all for now. This will help you by the grace of God. He has been helping many. He has been helping lots of people, and yours is not an exception. So try it and you see it, and do not forget to come and give me a feedback, okay? Because I know it will surely help you. It has been helping so many. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. If you have not subscribed, please kindly hit the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified anytime I upload videos. My name is Pamela, and remain blessed. I will see you next time.